All right, today is December 2nd, Wednesday, 8 a.m., pre-New York session. All right, what we're going to do is do the same thing we've been doing the last couple pre-New York sessions, just taking a look, scanning the market, pretty much just reading price action and figuring out, different possibilities of what price may actually do. All right. So we've been holding this Aussie yen AUDJPY really since Sunday night. And like I was saying yesterday, it really wasn't doing much. It was just consolidating in a very short ranging market. The 4 hour, the stochastic was saying that it was in overbought territory. So we entered into a sale. It did get some bullish activity. Actually almost took out my stop loss, but at the opening of the London session, we got that classic reversal from overnight, right? And right now we're having our first real uh, bearish candle. Okay, so just reading back, looking left, we actually had a candle that went from where we are all the way down to support before um, during this hour. Okay, so that's something to take note of. All right. So again, this could be the beginning of an overall bearish activity. I can see this definitely coming back down here to support to this 75,998. Let's take a look at the daily. All right, the daily is kind of flattening out. All right. It's kind of flattening out, but it's still in the no trade zone, um, heading down overall. Taking a look at the 30, we're in oversold territory. All right, that makes sense after all of that bullish activity really from yesterday. Okay. The 3 hours were pointed down. The 2 hour were also pointed down. Okay. So we could definitely see this continuing to go down at least until uh midway through. Well, I guess it's not midway through. Let's just say around the 11 o'clock hour. All right, we'll like to see where price is. All right, and um but again, I'm kind of holding this. All right, I've been swing trading this, so this was pretty much my only trade for the week, right? So, I'm actually willing to hold this, but I will start locking in profits once price crosses over. All right. Um, but yeah, I'll just start locking in profits on the way down. Okay, let's take a look at GA. GA, I think we were overall in for a buy and for the week. And overall, we've been getting that bullish activity that we were looking for. Okay. However, on the 2 hour, we are getting across, but we're getting some divergence in the stochastic, which is saying that we're in oversold territory. So this price could start to go up from here over the next couple hours. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. All right. Okay. Same thing with the 4 hour. And notice that it hasn't actually all the way crossed. So don't assume that price is just going to cross. On the 2 hour, we did get across. All right. However, it's not that much of a cross, right? So don't be surprised. There's also kind of like a double bottom like structure here. So don't be surprised if we continue to see some more bullish activity coming all the way up here to this 1.833 88 mark, right? Basically, this up to the middle, this middle point here from November 3rd, okay? From November 3rd, or yeah, no, I'm sorry, November 23rd. I'm sorry. Okay. So yes, that's that. Let's go to GBP CAD. We were in for a sale, all right, and this has pretty much been the best trade of the week so far, right? It's been really no problems. We're getting across. We're pointing down still on the daily, right? Let's go to the 2-hour. Same thing. We got a 2-hour cross. We are in oversold territory, but like we were saying, I mean, this looks like it could be, really a trade to hold for another couple days, possibly, right? But still look to lock in your profit, see where you are after the let's go down to the 15 minute. Okay, 15 minutes going up. So in the short term, you could get a better price, right? If you was looking to trade this during the New York session, notice that we are in a no trade zone on the stochastic, right? So wait for another entry, right? So possibly around that S1, yeah, around this area, S1, you could see it continue down, maybe at the top of the 9 o'clock hour. All right. Let's go to AUDCAD, see what's going on with that one. This one was also, we were in for a bearish move for the week. And as you can see, pretty much all week, I mean, this thing has been going down and down and down. And it still looks like there's still more room for it to go down. Let's go down to the 15-minute. All right, the 15-minute says that it's in a slight uptrend. So this is probably going to be just like GBP CAD, where remember you want to kind of stay with the overall trend, which in this case was a downtrend 5-minute. As soon as you see this bend, which again probably around this pivot area, you could probably see price continue to go down, and then we can look to the left. Maybe this area from December 1st low. Okay, well, let's go back. Let's zoom out 4 hour. Let's zoom out 4 hour. Let's go to 2 hour. Let's take it to S2. All right. Yeah. So S2 may be a good area to go to on Aussie CAD for your take profit. All right, which if you don't have the pivot points, that's the 0.95038 area. All right. And the last, we already talked about AUDJPY. All right. Okay. So I do want to talk a little bit more about the S&P. Okay. So I actually took a bearish position on this morning. It's a 5-minute chart. We were right. I'm sorry with these times. Maybe we were like right here. Let's go to the hourly. Okay. So we were here, right? These times is jacked up on my screen. So yeah, I can see price going down. Same thing with the stochastic. It looks like there's going to be some bearish momentum, and we could probably look for it to at least drop down to the top of the last consolidation area, which is this 36.40 2 mark, or to the bottom of this big bearish candle here, right? Which was the 9:30 candle from yesterday. All right. So just no, I'm sorry, from December yesterday. Okay. And let's check the 30. Yeah, so the 30, same thing is pointed down. So if you was looking for something on the indices, the S&P 500, you know, I'm looking at a bearish activity. Okay, let's go. As a matter of fact, let's go to short position. And Bitcoin. Yeah, and Bitcoin, same thing. I'm looking at a sale on the Bitcoin. So I'm looking for price to hit yesterday's low by 11 a.m. Really, let's say 10:45, 10:40 a.m. All right, y'all. So this is what we're going for the New York session. Hopefully this information helped you out. And I will be looking to check back in with everyone by the end of today with our update. So thanks for tuning in. Take care.